Okay. So now it's making more sense since I'm now here seeing the person do it. Because at first I thought they were just looking into a lens, like, bro, how the fuck you know it?
Nah, some people do. Like, that's what I used to do. But welcome back to my channel, YouTube, my dead ass channel. But I got my boy Looney. I'm gonna go ahead and get a review with the famous Camaro. They got a lot of people jealous. I ain't gonna lie, it made me think about getting one. But let's go ahead and get to it. Get to this review.
I'm trying to think of the best way.
Alright, so I ain't never rode in a cam car. Not no real cam car. This motherfucker shaking. I ain't gonna lie, like on the inside, it's not even as loud though.
Right. That's why I don't think it's that loud.
Hey, I wish mine was like that.
It'd be different if I had the C sound and shit.
Yeah, that's true, that's true. Another thing, focus, hold on. I need y'all to go to his Instagram. Y'all probably see it in the beginning of the video. But his page and comment, start a YouTube. Is this man wearing a bulletproof vest while jogging? Or is that a weight jacket?
Like a weight jacket. Wish they would get the fuck out of the way. We finna go around. We just gotta go around.
Alright. Well, we find a good place to go. Explain, if you don't mind explaining what you got done. You can be light with it.
That's a cam car. Heads, manifold, converter. That's basically it. GPI built, making 450 at the wheels. That's all it is really to it.
Yeah. It's a fun 450. But yeah. Let's listen to that. In Mexico.
Yes, sir.
Bro, ain't it hooks? Alright, I can confirm this car's a beast. I can. My seatbelt's still locked. Doing a whole loop. They do sound good.
You got opponents now, you know. But I'm telling you, I'm gonna spank some ass in my car too. I'm gonna try my best.
Like,